Determine if x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. To test if a binomial like this is a factor of this polynomial, use the factor theorem. According to the factor theorem, if x minus a is a factor of polynomial p of x, then p of a is equal to 0. To see if x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial, we plug in the numerical value into the polynomial, but make sure the factor is written in the form x minus a. X minus 2 is in this form, so we plug in 2 into the polynomial. We get p of 2 equals 2 cubed minus 13 times 2 squared plus 50 times 2 minus 56. 2 cubed is equal to 8, 2 squared is 4, and 4 times negative 13 is minus 52. 50 times 2 is plus 100, and minus 56. Combining the positive terms, we get 108. Combining the negative terms, we get minus 108. These two terms cancel out and we get 0. As a result, x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial.